Pro tips.
Going back to set that timeline, how much, what's your learning timeline, set that cap, and then start taking action and build out your action list timeline. Like for us, once we start taking action, it's the first 2 months, call stores. We don't have any leads by then we put together a mailing campaign. Mailing campaign was going to be more consistent. We were going to do that monthly. Since we ended up buying one from the first campaign, we put that on hold, and we just launched, our second letter last week. So just get out there and take action, right? Like small action steps, literally every day just gets you so far. And there was a quote I had on my computer for a long time, and it said, ordinary things done consistently over time produce extraordinary results. Just a reminder, right? Like you don't have to get to that end level tomorrow or next year, but if you keep making these small daily actions toward your goal, you're going to get there. So whatever it is, calling a distributor, signing up for CLA, start reaching out to laundromat owners, even if you don't want to buy theirs, tell them that you're interested in buying a store. Start talking to them and just start getting a feel for the industry and what you're going to deal with, to walk through stores. I mean, there's so much you can do before you even make the decision to buy one. That would be my advice.
Yeah, I love that. That's a good, that's more on the pro tips, which is advice for newbies, which is awesome. I mean, because I think it's great advice. And again, like I love your emphasis on, set a timeline and then start taking action, like to learn and then start taking action. And I like the, I even wrote down what you said, your quote, forget the quote that's on your computer, your quote of taking small action steps every day, it's going to take you far. And that's true. Right. And I think it's hard for us to think about like, okay, if my goal is to like buy a laundromat, well, that can be like really intimidating. Right. But if you break it down into small action steps that you can take every day, like contact, a laundromat owner a day. It's a small action step, like send a letter, to a few laundromats, or, sign up for the CLA, or jump on the forum and ask a question, or, small action steps. But if you're doing them consistently, like you said, that's the path to accomplishing huge things, right? Like 30 plus units in 3 years. Like that's incredible. That's like crazy. And awesome.